In the crucial turmoil of World War II, amidst the long, hard-fought battles, a project emerged that would redefine the boundaries of science, thus altering the course of war and ultimately history itself. This project was known as the Manhattan Project. It was bound in secrecy and brought together some of the greatest minds known at the time. These brilliant scientists would begin to pave the way for the coming atomic age.
Released in a Secretary of War statement by Henry Stimson on August 6, 1945, the atomic bomb represents the greatest achievement of the combined efforts of science, industry, labor, and the military in all of history. At the heart of this atomic breakthrough, as well as director of the project, was Robert Oppenheimer. This theoretical physicist had intellect well beyond what those of his age could imagine, and his guidance led to major breakthroughs in nuclear physics. Ultimately, claimed Stimson, the development of the bomb itself had been largely due to his genius and the inspiration and leadership he has given to his associates.
At its core, the Manhattan Project delved into the realm of nuclear physics, and more specifically, the nuclear atom. In a talk by historian Mark Chadwick, he dives into nuclear fission and the accuracy of the calculations of Oppenheimer's time when compared to more recent experiments, and he marvels at their precise measurements.
Going further into the science behind nuclear fission, it can be described as the occurrence of a nucleus of an atom, typically from a heavy element such as uranium-235, being bombarded with neutrons, thus causing it to split into smaller and smaller nuclei. In doing so, this causes an enormous amount of energy to emerge. This was the very energy that fueled the atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
It cannot go without saying that the moral effects of this project were felt by the scientists involved. In an article by researcher and historian Bastian Netto, it is revealed that many scientists grappled with the moral responsibility of their work, along with the bomb's implications for humanity itself. However, Oppenheimer claims that this project was out of organic necessity, and that, as a scientist, the belief that the world would benefit from the knowledge trumps all else. Researcher Netto then goes on to further state that, in other words, when it came to the need to invent the nuclear weapon, Oppenheimer claims scientists, as such, could not do otherwise than fully identifying the specific task with the whole idea of science itself.
The Manhattan Project can stand as a testament to both the incredible potential and profound responsibility of scientific discovery. After the use of the atomic bomb, the Secretary of War issued a statement claiming that every effort is being bent toward assuring that this weapon and the new field of science that stands behind it will be employed wisely in the interest of the security of peace-loving nations and the well-being of the world. But, as the great Oppenheimer noted, with the power of atomic energy, I have become death, destroyer of worlds.